Dear learners, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, and in this session I am going to share some important multiple choice questions with their answers from herbal technology, including herbal medicine, pharmacognosy, phytochemistry, and micropropagation of some important medicinal plants. Now let's start the MCQ series, and here the first question is: herbal medicine is based on plant and plant parts extracts, bacterial infections, chlorophyll extracts, or none of these. And here the right answer of this question is plant and plant parts extracts. Herbal medicine is based on plant and plant parts extracts. The next question is: which of the following ancient Indian treatise deals with medicinal plants? A. Rigveda, B. Samveda, C. Yajurveda, or D. Atharvaveda. And here the correct answer is Rigveda. The next question is: who wrote the first recorded treatise Charaka Samhita? A. Hippocrates, B. Aristotle, C. Susruta, or D. Patanjali. And here the right answer is Susruta. The next question is: in Hindu mythology, who is known as god of medicine? A. Dhanvantari, B. Susruta, C. Patanjali, or D. none of these. And here the correct answer is Dhanvantari. Dhanvantari is known as the god of medicine in Hindu mythology. The next question is: who is known as the father of Indian medicine and father of plastic surgery? A. Dhanvantari, B. Susruta, C. Patanjali, or D. Charak. And here the correct answer of this question is Susruta. Susruta, known as the father of Indian medicine and father of plastic surgery. The next question is: which of the following is a traditional system of medicine? A. Ayurvedic, B. Unani, C. Siddha, or D. all of these. And here the right answer is all of these. The next one is: which traditional system of medicine associated with bhakti and yoga? A. Ayurvedic, B. Homeopathic, C. Siddha, or D. none of these. And here the right answer is Siddha. The next question is: which of the following factors can affect the cultivation of medicinal plants? A. Seed and its sources, B. Altitude, C. Environmental factors, or D. all of the above. And here the right answer is all of the above. The cultivation of medicinal plants can be affected by the seed and its sources, altitude, as well as the environmental factors. The next question is: drugs are obtained from the underground parts of which of the following medicinal plants? A. Withania somnifera, B. Gingiber officinale, C. Rauwolfia serpentina, or D. all of the above. And here the correct answer is D. all of the above. The next question is: who gave the term pharmacognosy? A. Charak, B. Theophrastus, C. Susrut, or D. Sadler. And here the right answer is D. Sadler. The next question is: drug is obtained from the leaves of which of the following medicinal plants? Aconitum heterophyllum, Cinchona officinalis, Berberis aristata, or Centella asiatica. And here the right answer is Centella asiatica. The next question is, which of the following is a non-essential components of plant growth? A. Carbohydrates, B. Macronutrients, C. Primary metabolites, or D. Secondary metabolites. And here the correct answer is D. Secondary metabolites. Secondary metabolites are the non-essential components of plant growth. The next question is, which of the following is not a secondary metabolite? A. Phenolics, B. Glycosides, C. Alkaloids, or D. Amino acids. And here the correct answer is amino acids. Amino acids is not a secondary metabolites, while as the phenolics, glycosides, and alkaloids are the secondary metabolites. The next one is, which of the following is not a plant-derived alkaloids? Nicotine, quinine, menthol, or codeine? And here the correct answer is menthol. Menthol is not a plant-derived alkaloid. The next question is, which of the following is biomarker of Withania somnifera? Reserpine, withanine, artemisinin, or withanolide D? And here the correct answer is withanolide D. Withanolide D is a biomarker of Withania somnifera. The next question is, which of the following reagents is not used to detect alkaloids? A. Dragon drops reagent, B. Myers reagent, C. Hager's reagent, or D. Antimony trichloride reagent. And here the right answer is antimony trichloride reagent is not used to detect alkaloids. The next question is, generally, which of the following reagents is used to detect steroids, terpenes, and terpenoids? A. Ceric sulfate reagent, B. Myers reagent, C. Hager's reagent, or D. Antimony trichloride reagent. And here the correct answer is ceric sulfate reagent. The ceric sulfate reagent is used to detect the steroids, terpenes, and terpenoids. Now, the next question is, which of the following secondary metabolite is found in gingiber officinale? A. Gingiberine, B. Gingerol, C. Paradols, or D. All of these. And here the right answer is all of these. The next question is, the systematic study of crude drugs in relation to their geographical origin, method of collection, cultivation, and preparation for marketing is known as A. Pharmacognosy, B. Ecotaxonomy, C. Bioremediation, or D. None of these. And here the correct answer is A. Pharmacognosy. The next one is, the drugs which are obtained from natural sources such as plants, animals, minerals, etc., and used without any processing except drying is known as A. Crude drugs, B. Homeopathy, C. Repellents, or D. Syrups. And here the right answer is crude drugs. The next question is, the higher temperature sensitive drugs can be dried by which of the following methods? A. Oven drying, B. Spray drying, C. Sun drying, or D. Vacuum drying. And here the correct answer is vacuum drying. The next one is, the drug used as memory booster can be obtained from which of the following medicinal plants? A. Catharanthus roseus, B. Ocimum sanctum, C. Clerodendron phlomoides, or D. Centella asiatica. And here the right answer is Centella asiatica. Centella asiatica is used as a memory booster. The next question is, which of the following is or are physical method of drug evaluation? A. S value, B. Viscosity, C. Extractive value, or D. All of the above. And here the right answer is D. All of the above. The next question is, which of the following phytochemicals are found in Ocimum sanctum? A. Saponins, B. Flavonoids, C. Glycosides, or D. All of these. And here the right answer is D. All of these. Saponins, flavonoids, and glycosides are the main phytochemicals which are found in Ocimum sanctum. Ocimum sanctum is commonly known as Tulsi, and it is a member of family Lamiaceae. The next question is, which of the following factors to be kept in mind during the collection of crude drug? A. Plant's age, B. Collection season, C. Collection time, or D. All of the above. And here the correct answer is all of the above. While collecting the crude drugs from the plants, it should be considered that the plant is collection season as well as the time of collection. The next question is, Centella asiatica belongs to which of the following family? A. Asteraceae, B. Malvaceae, C. Rosaceae, or D. Apiaceae. And here the correct answer is D. Apiaceae. Centella asiatica belongs to Apiaceae family. The next question is, which of the following phytochemicals are found in Centella asiatica? A. Tannins and steroids, B. Flavonoids, C. Terpenoids and saponins, or D. All of these. And here the correct answer is D. All of these. The next question is, the anti-rheumatic drugs can be prepared from which one of the following medicinal plants? A. Catharanthus roseus, B. Gingiber officinale, C. Clerodendron phlomoides, or D. Centella asiatica. And here the correct answer is C. Clerodendron phlomoides. Clerodendron phlomoides used as anti-rheumatic. The next question is, Withania somnifera belongs to which of the following family? A. Asteraceae, B. Tiliaceae, C. Solanaceae, or D. Convolvulaceae. And here the correct answer is Solanaceae. Now the next question is, ashwagandha is used in the treatment of blood sugar, stress, weakness, or all of the above. And here the right answer is all of the above. Ashwagandha is a medicine or drugs which is extracted from Withania somnifera, and it is used in the treatment of blood sugar, stress, as well as in mental and physical weaknesses. The next question is, evaluation of drugs includes which of the followings? A. Chemical reactions, B. Microscopic examination, C. Microscopy, or D. All of these. And here the correct answer is all of these. The next question is, DTAB stand for Drug Technical Adverse Board, Drug Technical Admission Board, Drug Technical Advisory Board, or all of these. And here the right answer is Drug Technical Advisory Board. DTAB stand for Drug Technical Advisory Board. The next one is a cardiotonic can be prepared from which one of the following medicinal plants? A. Catharanthus roseus, B. Gingiber officinale, C. Ocimum sanctum, or D. Centella asiatica. And here the correct answer is Catharanthus roseus. Catharanthus roseus is used as a cardiotonic. The next question is Catharanthus roseus belongs to which of the following family? A. Asteraceae, B. Apocynaceae, C. Araceae, or D. Apiaceae. And here the correct answer is B. Apocynaceae. The next question is the holy basil is Cassia fistula, Ficus bengalensis, Ocimum sanctum, or Centella asiatica. And here the correct answer is Ocimum sanctum. The next question is the leaves of following medicinal plant is used to cure mental disorders. A. Aconitum heterophyllum, B. Cinchona officinalis, C. Catharanthus roseus, or D. Centella asiatica. And here the right answer is Centella asiatica. The next question is which of the following is not a alkaloid? A. Morphine, B. Atropine, C. Caffeine, or D. Rutin. And here the correct answer is D. Rutin. Rutin is not a alkaloid. The next one is which of the following factors can affect the in vitro morphogenesis of medicinal plants? A. Explant and its sources, B. Culture medium, C. Culture environment, or D. All of the above. And here the correct answer is all of the above. The next question is the Unani system of medicine is based on herbal medicines, Galileo, Theodotus, or Hippocrates. And here the correct answer is Hippocrates. The Unani system of medicine is based on the Hippocrates. The next question is Central Research Institute for Yoga CRIY was established in 1970, 1975, 1990, or 1980. And here the right answer is 1970. The Central Research Institute for Yoga was established in 1970. The next question is which of the following is not a recognized crude drug? Digitalis, aloe, cinchona, or clove. And here the right answer is Digitalis. The next question is in Ayurveda, which of the following is not a Tridosha? A. Vata, B. Pitta, C. Kapha, or D. Somya. And here the correct answer is Somya. The next question is which of the following is not a application of micropropagation techniques? A. Production of disease-free plants, B. Production of secondary metabolites, C. Raising somaclonal variations, or D. Production of transgenic plants. And here the right answer is production of transgenic plants. The production of transgenic plants is not the application of micropropagation techniques, while as the production of disease-free plants, the production of secondary metabolites, and the raising of somaclonal variations are the applications of micropropagation techniques. The next question is the National Institute of Siddha is located at Mumbai, Gujarat, Hyderabad, or Chennai. And here the correct answer is Chennai. The National Institute of Siddha is located at Chennai. The next question is Which of the following is not related to Panchakarmas? A. Virchana, B. Vamana, C. Nasya, or D. Agada? And here the correct answer is D. Agada is not related to Panchakarmas. Now, the last question of this session is the Central Research Institute of Unani Medicine CRIUM is situated at New Delhi, Chandigarh, Kolkata, or Hyderabad. And here the right answer is Hyderabad. The Central Research Institute of Unani Medicine is situated at Hyderabad. Now, this is all about today's session. If you have any doubt and queries regarding to this session, you may write down in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for new updates and press the bell icon to get the notifications on time. And thanks for watching this session.